Sometimes we say sentences where it is not made clear who is the person in question that we are talking about, but it's still pretty easy to figure out. For example, at a coffee shop or something, you might see a sign or somebody might tell you that täältä saa kahvia, which literally it means from here gets coffee. It is not made clear who gets coffee from here, but it's pretty clear that it is anybody. And then when you're, let's say, carrying something heavy, you might say vittu kun on painava, which literally would mean fuck when it's heavy, but a better example would be fuck how heavy. Once again, it is not made clear what is heavy, but it's pretty easy to figure out. And when we say I don't care, we say ei kiinnosta, which literally means does not interest. It's not made clear who it doesn't interest, but it's pretty clear that it is me who it doesn't interest. Verbs have 7 cases. There is the first person singular, the second person singular, and the third person singular, and the first person plural, the second person plural, the third person plural, and then there is the passive. And the passive is when it is not clear who is doing the action that the verb describes. Examples of this could be koulussa luetaan, which means reading is being done in the school. It is not made clear who is doing the reading. It is just a statement that reading is being done in general. And another example could be ongelmaasi tutkitaan, meaning your problem is being investigated. It is not made clear who is doing it, but it just states that the action is being done. There are some words that are not words by themselves. If you write them out by themselves, spell check will give you a red line under it. One of these words could be the word nice, which is a form of the word nainen, meaning woman, but nice by itself is not a word. If you combine it with some other word, let's say kuski, meaning driver, you get naiskuski, which means woman driver or female driver, and that is a valid word. There is no red line under it. And because, much like the German language, Finnish language also has this feature where if just chain words together or combine words together, you can create new words that are valid. And theoretically, there is no upper limit to this. So, but yes, you can create new words by just chaining words together, and some words are only words if they are chained together with some other word. More examples of this can be found in the compass directions. The word for north is pohjoinen, but if we are describing the north part of some place, let's say North Asia, then it is Pohjois-Aasia. So the word pohjois is not a word by itself, but it is correct if you are combining it with some place name. But the other main directions, they don't have these sorts of chain word versions. If we say East Asia, we just use the normal form of East, which is Itä, and we say Itä-Aasia. And the in-between directions, Northeast, Southeast, those, they have their own words too, and all of them have these chain word versions. Northwest is luode, but the chain word version of that is luoteis, and then southwest is lounas and lounais in chain words. Southeast is kaakko and kaakkois in chain words, and northeast is koillinen and koillis in chain words.